Tanzania is a country like no other. A place where ancient human history meets one of the most stunning natural landscapes on Earth. Known for having the highest concentration of animals per square kilometer, Tanzania is a natural wonder in its own right. The most famous of its natural reserves is the Serengeti National Park, where one of the most spectacular natural phenomena occurs annually: Great Migration. This event, the largest land migration on the planet, sees over 1 million wildebeest, along with thousands of zebras, antelopes, and gazelles, move north to the Masai Mara Reserve in Kenya in search of fresh pastures and water. As the dry season begins in May, these herds face their most dangerous challenge: crossing the Mara and Grumeti rivers, which are teeming with crocodiles. The crossing is perilous. Steep riverbanks can cause some animals to break a leg, making them easy prey for crocodiles or lions. Often, zebras and wildebeest cross together, combining their strengths, zebras with their sharp eyesight and wildebeest with their keen hearing. But the dangers are many, and the Nile crocodile, one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom, lies in wait. Those that survive the crossing face further challenges. The Serengeti is home to the largest population of lions in Africa. These skilled hunters work in teams to bring down prey much larger than themselves. The young and isolated wildebeest are frequent targets, unable to escape the coordinated attacks of the lionesses. The dangers don't end there. The African savanna is also home to the mighty African elephant, tallest land animal, and the fearsome buffalo, known to be one of the most dangerous animals in Africa due to their aggressive nature. Even the imposing hippos, often seen as peaceful creatures, can be deadly, particularly when defending their territory. In the Serengeti, the law of survival is harsh. Every year, around 30,000 zebras and 250,000 wildebeest die from predation, drowning, disease, thirst, or exhaustion. Yet life continues in this unforgiving land, a testament to the resilience and determination of its inhabitants. This is Tanzania, a land where nature's beauty is matched only by its raw, untamed power. A place where the cycle of life and death plays out every day in a dance as old as time itself. For those seeking adventure, Tanzania offers an unparalleled experience, a journey into the heart of one of the world's last great wildernesses. Thanks for watching Animal Fight Knockout, where the wildest battles never end. Don't forget to subscribe for more epic showdowns. Until next time, stay wild.